Hello, this is Tanya Tidy. In this video, I will show you how to process such a pocket. To begin, take the piece to which you want to add a pocket. Mark the pocket location using temporary hand stitches. Measure the length of your pocket and write down the measurement. The finished width of the pocket will be 2 centimeters, so all further calculations of parts will take this parameter into account. To process one pocket, we need 4 different parts. We cut out the first piece from the main fabric. Its width should be equal to the width of your pocket plus 1.5 centimeters to the right and the left. Now turn piece number 2 inside out and iron the seam allowance towards the top. Use your fingers to press down on piece number 1 to gently pull up the top edge. Direct the corners towards the center first, iron them, and then push them inward.